Hi everyone, Matt Metzger, ABI Attachments. I am on my way back to our local St. Joe County 4-H Fairgrounds today. We've got a special guest in town. Allison is around with us today. He's taking a look at some of the products we've got in our pipeline. We will get some time with talk story with him for a little bit, see how he's doing this summer, see what he's up to. So sit tight, we'll be with in just a moment. How you doing today, man?
Good, Matt. Pleasure seeing you again.
I'm glad you're up here with us.
I'm glad to be here.
Now, you're a popular guy. You're all over the country all year long. Why don't you give us a little insight? Why were you brought up here to our little corner of Indiana today to spend some time with us?
Well, I came up here to talk and discuss where we're kind of going with some of the drags and some ideas on some new designs to them.
Yep.
Some tweaks to them.
Yep.
To make them like anything else. They're always working on things to make them better.
Yep. Without revealing anything, how are you feeling about the demos that you just got to be a part of just now?
I'm liking it.
Yeah.
Not just the demos, but the thought process of where we want to go with this and the changes we want to make to improve those things. So it's not just seeing it work, but the ideas behind it.
Yeah.
The machinery that we have now, the equipment is fantastic. If we quit growing and we quit trying to make improvements, we fall behind.
Amen to that.
Somebody will overtake you.
Yep.
So we're always looking for ways to improve what is already, as far as I'm concerned, and many other people around the world, the greatest pieces of equipment that are out there right now.
So, you've been working with arena fitting for a long time. There is such a wide array of opinions on the best way to groom an arena, or the best type of equipment to use to groom an arena. We still talk to people on a regular basis that they're still using a bed spring with a cinder block on it. Why is it worth it to invest a little bit more into a drag to take care of an arena that maybe they only ride in once or twice a week?
The health of your horse. Okay? Footing is everything to take care of your horse's joints, muscles, everything about them works as one unit. Okay? The problem that we have in our industry, like any business, is economy.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
So you'll find that people, as you said, using a bed spring with some rocks on it, maybe they really can't afford a drag.
Yeah.
Okay. They can't afford to go get a tractor. They're pulling that with their four-wheeler.
Sure.
That's going to happen in our industry. Money dictates what people
You
can
bet.
afford.
Yeah.
Okay. I can afford a $1,500 horse.
Yeah.
I got $1,500 to spend on a horse. You can't afford that horse.
Yeah.
Spent $1,500 on him, but you better have $1,000 a month to keep him.
Yeah.
A place to put him.
Yep.
Feed, hay, farrier, vet.
Yep.
So now you tell them, well, you got to buy a drag.
Yeah.
And depending on, they're going, what? For why? I'm going to ride him out in my back field.
Because we get that a lot.
Yes.
When someone says, I've already put so much money into my horse,
Yes.
why do I have to spend so much money on a drag?
Well, how much money did you spend on your vet? Because your horse was lame.
There you go.
Right?
Yeah.
We could have prevented most of that.
Yeah.
Not always, but a lot of it, okay?
Talk to me about a go-to tool. You're really familiar with our products. What is the go-to tool for someone who maybe has only ever used a bed string? Maybe they've just now getting into this and say, I don't want to break the bank. I'm not a professional, but I want something that, like you said, is going to care for the health of the animal that I love. What's your go-to option?
The TR3E series.
Yeah. Why?
It's a middle-of-the-road price range.
Yeah.
That gives you everything you need on that drag to do anything you need, from pleasure horses to reiners to cutters. But price-wise, it's in the middle of that road that it can be affordable. And if you have an outside arena like this, what's behind us, where you're relying on Mother Nature to get it wet, you can still afford to get a water wagon.
Yep.
Right?
You bet.
And you've put the combination of a large drag master together in two machines that you can pull with smaller equipment, which is less expensive for you to have, and get the same results at a quarter to a third of the price of buying a big machine that a larger facility would need.
Yep. Well, EJ, really appreciate your time today. Glad
Thank
you came
you
up
for
to spend
having
time
me
with
here.
us.
Goodbye, folks.
Thanks, everybody.